Oh Lord, I call on thee, you are my strength. This is the voice of Anthony West representing DJ MG and him out the program, you know. So we used to go out the down, outside.
I respect, man, because you know some minutes to say, you know. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, so Port Antonio. Yeah, man, that's how the town stay, you know. Yeah, send it off over there, so.
Son, girl, them a roll out, not enough scandal. Dog, them a pre, girl, them and the weed and rum after full black, girl, skin a bun. A rubber, full black, we have the girl, them a go. A rubber, 38th of November, dog, man, go with it. A rubber, make sure so
You know, so?
No.
Yeah, man, let's check out the story, right? Nice story, innit? Nice story. Everywhere you go, you find it. Port Antonio, you know? You don't know. Famous roof club. Who know this? Back in the days, up here, so. Hottest night spot in Port Antonio, rooftop. Who don't know rooftop in the 70s, eh? No. Now he used to walk the town, you know. Port Antonio. Yeah. Bless up yourself, man. Be to all this. Famous coronation, you know. Understand.
Greens, man. See that? Yes.
What? How going, man? That's what I said.
Years like I
Man, respect. Hello. Hey, alright. Mikey! That's Mikey. So Mikey is here, man. Mikey. You know, the boys and think Mikey, yeah, man. I really think, you know. That's it, man. Yeah, man. Mikey. That's it, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, in the town of Port Antonio, you know. Come on. Hey, what, man? Stop. Yeah, boy, rough, you know.
I've been through experience.
Yeah, don't tell me. Worse.
Yeah, see it?
A worse thing now. Your thing was worse.
Well, I mean, I tell you, 1 2-year-old baby and one
But I know
6-year-old.
you know. You don't get over that all now.
But you know, memory don't
You know
live
much
on people
years,
too.
virgin?
They always give it to you, whether it's good or bad.
Well, me I tell you, man, this man have a dread on me, you know. Me lost my wife, but he lost his worse. You know?
Left
You are
with 1 2-year-old.
Yeah, you are man, the incident.
6-year-old celebrity. Well, it was an incident when my girlfriend was going to work. She was working at the Esso gas station, a Baptist alone. So some people stopped here and give her a drive, and she had tell them, said, "Go on, I don't know you." See? And them convinced her, reverse and come back and pick her up, and that was it. The accident took place down at the Coronation Bakery.
Right at the corner.
Right at the corner.
You just run off a road.
Yeah, man.
I do it, you know. I do the incident.
Are you?
Yeah, as a reporter.
Saying.
So I know the whole story, but I want to tell them. Right.
Well, as was said, Virgin, I don't even know if it explained it, because, you know, she sleep at my house in the morning, see? And when she left home, she sit down on the veranda, and whenever I when she take the car. So anyway, you know, I'm a musician already, I'm there, I sing, and the whole vibe. So a vibe said, go and go lay down. So when we go and go lay down now, it's like, we get a call and say, boy, your girlfriend dead. You know, see it? And I said, no, not dead. So she meet in an accident. So I said, well then, boy, I would have just one little scrape or so she get. So anyway, I'm here again, my brethren called me now and said, yeah, I was there, and me take her, put in the car, and I went to hospital and they confirmed she dead. Brethren, me said, go back and go lay down in my bed, you know. and stay so. And I wish it was a dream. Right now, reality, I have to wake up and face it.
Alright, tell me the rest of it now. You know, there's a. She leave you with a child, right?
Yeah,
I don't
man.
want to go too much in. I want you to tell us.
Alright, the child was 2 years old, them time. See, and then my son was 6 years old. I know that a Javaughn genius, I mean, I music strongly them time there. And I see it, so.
Javaughn genius, play every
genius.
instrument.
Yeah, man.
Across the world, you know,
Yeah,
Javaughn
man,
genius.
yeah,
Some of the
man.
places that genius go right now, people, you not really know him. A big stage, me see him on, you know.
Yeah, man, you go Japan, Tokyo, you know, New York, all over the world, Africa, everywhere.
Him write songs and play every instrument.
Yeah, man,
Tell me about that,
he
man.
play every instrument, man. It's a long story, you know.
That's the only youth.
Long story.
Let me tell you, that's the only youth at age 6 could play every instrument.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So far.
Because the first time in the boss, may I tell you, when I do the homegoing service for your wife or your girlfriend, right? And I see this little youth go play now. First time I see Javaughn genius, man. Because I was the one who was covering the thing.
Right.
And the first time I see him, I was surprised, man. I was surprised.
Yeah, well,
And then I started to see him after that, you know. And then in Fort Lauderdale, he went to the
Unifest.
Yeah, he went to Unifest, and I saw him at Broward
Broward
County Park, you know, at the park, and
Yeah,
you
man,
know,
we
performing
travel a lot, man.
yeah,
I know he's still in his thing.
yeah.
And then, you know.
I want
But
to
as
tell
I
you,
say, life goes on.
yeah.
Some I say the mother gone. And I want to tell you, when the mother died, you know, it's like him not even cry, you know. Him just take it out in the music. And just put himself more in the music. Trust me. I know nothing nice to remember. So right now, me kind of like.
Right now, boy, I tell you. Javaughn no pass me nowhere, you know.
Well, I saw you go, man.
Him no pass me nowhere. I can know me everywhere. See me.
I saw you go,
Respect
man.
here.
Respect. Hold
John
it.
Bond. Remind me your name.
John Bond.
All right. Respect,
Our
John.
father genius, and some people call me Raga.
Listen.
Respect.
Norwich to the world. Raga. Javaughn genius father, you know. We are important to him, you know.
Oh Lord, I call on thee, you are my strength. This is the voice of Anthony West representing DJ MG and him out the program, you know. So we used to go out the down, outside.